બિહાર વિધાનસભાની ચૂંટણીને લઈને ચૂંટણી પંચે પ્રેસ કોન્ફરન્સ યોજી હતી, જેમાં બિહારની વિધાનસભાની ચૂંટણી અંગે તારીખો જાહેર કરવામાં આવી છે. બિહારમાં 3 તબક્કામાં ચૂંટણી યોજાશે. પહેલા તબક્કામાં 28 ઓક્ટોબરે 71 બેઠકો પર ચૂંટણી યોજાશે, જેમાં 16 જિલ્લા અને 31,000 પોલિંગ બૂથ હશે. બીજા તબક્કામાં 3 નવેમ્બરે 94 બેઠકો પર મતદાન થશે, જેમાં 17 જિલ્લા 42,000 પોલિંગ બૂથ હશે. ત્રીજા તબક્કામાં 7મી નવેમ્બરે 78 બેઠકો ઉપર મતદાન યોજાશે, જેમાં 15 જિલ્લામાં 33,500 પોલિંગ બૂથ હશે.
Special protocol has been devised for electors who are COVID positive, suspect, quarantine, so that such citizens are able to exercise their franchise without in any way jeopardizing the health of other voters. COVID-19 patients who are quarantined will be able to cast their vote at the last day of the hour, poll day, at their respective polling stations, as I said earlier, under the supervision of health authorities, strictly following the laid down measures. This is besides the option of postal facility already extended to them. Nodal health officers will also be appointed at the state district level to oversee COVID-19 related arrangements and preventive measures during the entire electoral process. In order to further decongest polling spaces and allow more free movement of the voters, polling time has been increased. Polling time has been increased by 1 hour. Polling will now be held from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. instead of 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. earlier. However, this will not be applicable to the left-wing affected areas. General elections to the Legislative Assembly of Bihar shall be conducted in 3 phases. In first phase, 71 assembly constituencies in 16 districts, including most of the LWE districts, will go for poll. It will be held in approximately 31,000 polling stations. In second phase, 94 assembly constituencies in 17 districts will go for poll. It will have approximately 42,000 polling stations. All this is going to be made digitally available to you in the next half an hour. In second phase, 94 assembly constituencies in 17 districts will go for poll. It will have approximately 42,000 polling stations. In third phase, 78 assembly constituencies in 15 districts will go for poll. It will have approximately 15 districts. Third phase, 78 assembly constituencies in 15 districts will go for poll. It will have approximately 33.5 thousand polling stations. 10 districts will have 2 phases of elections for logistical reasons. 28 districts will have single phase elections. Patna and Bhagalpur districts will have elections in the first as well as second phase. 8 districts, namely Darbhanga, Madhubani, Purba Champaran, Paschim Champaran, Muzaffarpur, Vaishali, Samastipur and Sitamarhi will have elections in second and third phases. 8 districts, namely Darbhanga, Madhubani, Purba Champaran, Paschim Champaran, Muzaffarpur, Vaishali, Samastipur and Sitamarhi will have elections in second and third phases. First phase, 1st October. Am I clear? Last date of nomination, now I am reading only first phase, right? When I come to second phase, I will mention that. First phase, issue of notification, 1st October. Last date of notification, 8th October. Is it right? Scrutiny of nominations, 9th October. Is it clear? Last date of withdrawal of candidature, 12th October. Date of poll, 28th October. Counting of votes, 10th November, but that will be for all the phases, right? With your permission, 10th November. Can I now go to second phase, please? You there? Okay. Issue of notification, 9th October. Last date of nomination, 16th October. Whenever you want me to repeat, I will repeat, gladly repeat. Scrutiny of nomination, 17th October. Last date of withdrawal of candidature, 19th October. Date of poll, 3rd November. Counting, as I said earlier, 10th November. Shall I go to third phase, please? Sorry? Shall I go to third phase? Issue of notification, 13th October. 13th October, 13 October. Last date of nomination, 20th October, 20 October. Scrutiny of nomination, 21 October, 21st October. Last date of withdrawal of candidature, 23rd October, 23 October. Date of poll, 7th November, 7th November. Counting of votes, 10th November. More than 7 lakh units of hand sanitizers, about 46 lakh masks, about 6 lakh PPE kits, 7.6 lakh units of face shields, and about 23 lakh hand gloves have been arranged. For the voters, there is 77.2 crore single-use hand gloves have been specifically arranged when they press the EVM, etc. As per reports received from the field units and collated by CEO Bihar, there were about 18.87 lakh migrants across 38 districts of Bihar. Out of these, 16.6 lakh were eligible to vote, being more than 18 years. 13.93 lakh had their names already on the rolls. During the process of continuous updation, 2.3 lakh voters were registered and the process of updation is still on.
10મી નવેમ્બરે પરિણામ જાહેર કરવામાં આવશે. મુખ્ય ચૂંટણી કમિશનર સુનિલ અરોરાએ પ્રેસ કોન્ફરન્સમાં જણાવ્યું હતું કે કોરોના સંકટના કારણે દુનિયાના 70 દેશોમાં ચૂંટણીને ટાળી દેવાય છે. કોરોના સંકટ વચ્ચે બિહાર અને પેટા ચૂંટણી અંગે સતત મંથન કરવામાં આવ્યું. બિહાર ચૂંટણી દેશના સૌથી મોટા રાજ્યોમાં અને આ ચૂંટણી કોરોના કાળમાં સૌથી મોટી ચૂંટણી છે.